All right, verse 2. I've been fighting factions since Shorty had his accident. Octavian moving fastest. I got a plan to pass them. Come with me to Tarshish. Our rendezvous a classic. Purple sails on barges. Aphrodite's your fashion. Come on, man. This is some dense writing. I've been fighting factions, so you know, like, after Caesar died, after he was assassinated, arguably by Brutus and a number of the other senators, right? Rome had some political beef. It's like if you have a gang member, the head of the gang, he has all these neighborhoods underneath of him, but all of a sudden that gang member is killed. You're gonna have small cliques that start vying for power, and that's what happened with ancient Rome. And so we have another character that comes in. Caesar's gone. Octavian moved the fastest. So Octavian is out here trying to make moves. For whoever's writing this letter, they got a problem with the person that's writing this letter. So it's some power struggles. And here's the proposition. It's not your average love letter. He's telling Cleopatra, come with me to Tarshish. Our rendezvous is a classic. Purple sails on barges. Aphrodite's your fashion. He talking big talk. He talking big talk. He said, look, I got the stretch limo. I got the BMW, the Mercedes. Come with your boy. Come rendezvous. Come kick it with me. And we can talk our talk, right? Societies built on mythology, that's past tense, like democracy, forged over classes. Empires rise and they fall like Jacob's ladders. I'd rather die in your arms than in assassins. It's dense, guys. Societies built on mythology, that's past tense, like democracy. I'm being very facetious, right? We live in arguably a democratic society. And so what folks don't realize is Rome had at the time, was an empire, meaning it was ruled by one person in charge. But this was sort of the tension of a democratic society versus an empirical society, if you will. And I'm being facetious because, like, we got problems in our current day and age when we think about our democratic society. So that's mythology. For them, literally thousands of years ago, the idea of democracy was kind of a myth, it's a fallacy. But today we still have our own democracy. So I'm playing around. I'm trying to get the listener to like perk up a little bit. But then I talk about empires rise and they fall. So if you read the Bible, there's an illustration of Jacob's ladders where angels go up and down the ladders. So God has a tendency to use poetic illustrations as we read the Bible. And so that was a reference there. And then I've kind of foreshadowed, I'd rather die in your arms than an assassin. So whoever's writing this, they don't want to die. They're trying to like procure power. Like they're trying to control whatever they have in control in ancient Egypt, but also in Rome because Caesar is dead. So they're trying to be successful, right? So he's stressing to Cleopatra, like, rock with your boy, right? Through thick and thin. He don't have no plans of dying, but he kind of foreshadowed that he literally will die in her own arms.
I've been fighting factions since Shorty had his accident. Octavian moved the fastest. I got a plan to pass them. Come with me to Tarshish. I rendezvous a classic. Purple sails on barges. Aphrodite's your fashion.